Thank you, Butts of Dakshina, for an amazing performance. Our next presentation is a beautiful Malayalam devotional song dedicated to Lord Krishna in the form of Guru Ayyappan, Chetti Mandaram Tulasi. This is a heartfelt prayer capturing a devotee's yearning to visualize the Lord adorned with Chetti, Mandaram, and Tulasi flowers, draped in a yellow silk dhoti, crowned with a peacock feather, and anointed with sandalwood paste. The lyric speaks of offering aval, flattened rice, symbolizing a humble heart filled with devotion and tears. It is a plea of surrender, seeking refuge, mercy, and blessings, acknowledging one's helplessness in the material world. This performance is especially meaningful today as it is presented by our adult beginners, many of whom are stepping onto the Bharatanatyam stage for the very first time. Having learned only few Adavu series, these dancers have embraced rhythm, discipline, and devotion with courage and commitment, offering their debut classical dance performance as a humble prayer to the Lord. Dancers are Kavita Yadav, Kavita Nambhari, Shrija Sukumaran, and Zinal Patel.